Hello, Tom. I am ready to see your garden today.
Hi, Anna. This is my backyard, but it is very messy.
I see a lot of old grass and some dry leaves.
I want this place to be beautiful and green for summer.
We can start with a big plan on this paper.
I like the idea of a big plan. Where do we start?
First, we need to clean the center of the yard.
I can do the cleaning this weekend. I am very strong.
Great. Then we can plant 3 large trees near the fence.
Which trees are best for a small garden like mine?
Apple trees are perfect. They have beautiful flowers in spring.
I love apples. Can we also have some red roses?
Yes, roses grow very well in this sunny spot here.
I want a place to sit and read my books.
We can build a small wooden deck in the corner.
A wooden deck sounds very cozy and very modern.
I have my measure here. Let us check the distance.
The yard is 10 meters long and 8 meters wide.
That is plenty of space for a terrace and a lawn.
Should we put a fence around the vegetable area?
Yes, a low fence is good to protect the carrots.
I am very excited about the carrots and the apples.
Do you have any garden tools in your garage?
I have a shovel and a large green watering can.
We will need a lawn mower for the new grass.
I will buy a new mower to the shop tomorrow.
Look at this drawing. This is your future garden.
It looks amazing, Anna. You're a very good designer.
Thank you, Tom. Let us choose the materials now.
I am ready. Let us go to the table.
Look at these small trees. They are young apple trees.
They look very delicate. Can they survive the wind?
Yes, we will use wooden sticks to support them.
How much water do these young trees need every day?
They need 1 bucket of water every evening at sunset.
I will remember that. Water at sunset is my new rule.
Now, look at these flowers. These are blue lavender.
They smell wonderful. Can we put them near the deck?
Yes, the smell is very relaxing for a reading area.
Do lavender plants need a lot of sun during the day?
Yes, they love the sun. They don't like too much rain.
My garden has a lot of sun. It is very bright here.
We can also plant some mint for your tea, Tom.
I drink tea every day. Fresh mint is a great idea.
Mint grows very fast. It needs a separate small pot.
I have a ceramic pot in my kitchen. I can use it.
Perfect. Now we need to think about the grass.
I want the grass to be very soft, like a carpet.
We will use a special mix of seeds for a family lawn.
Is the grass difficult to grow from small seeds?
No, but you must keep the soil moist for 2 weeks.
I will be very careful with the water, I promise.
I am marking the places for the trees on the map.
1 tree in the left corner and 2 in the right.
Correct. This way, the sun can reach the flowers too.
You think about everything, Anna. This is very logical.
That is my job. A garden must be beautiful and smart.
I am very happy to work with a professional.
Let us check the water system next. It is important.
Yes, I want an easy way to water everything.
This is an automatic watering system for your lawn.
How does it work? Do I need to push a button?
Yes, or you can use this app on your smartphone.
An app for the garden. That is very cool technology.
You can set the time for 6 o'clock in the morning.
Then I can sleep and the garden gets its water.
Exactly. It saves a lot of time and a lot of water.
Is the system difficult to install under the ground?
No, we only need to dig small paths for the pipes.
I can help with the digging. I have a good shovel.
We will use black plastic pipes. They are very strong.
What happens in winter? Do the pipes freeze?
We will remove the water from the pipes in November.
That is a smart way to protect the system.
I am checking the water pressure in your outdoor tap.
Is the pressure good enough for the long pipes?
The pressure is excellent. We can use 4 sprinklers.
Where will the sprinklers be in the garden?
One in every corner to cover the whole green lawn.
Will the roses get water from the sprinklers too?
No, roses need a different system. It is called drip irrigation.
Drip irrigation. Does the water come out in small drops?
Yes, it goes directly to the roots. It is very efficient.
My roses will be very happy with this special care.
A healthy garden needs a regular water schedule.
I am writing this in my phone notes right now.
Good. Tomorrow, the pipes will arrive at your house.
I will be here to receive the delivery at 8 o'clock.
Excellent. Now let us choose the stones for the path.
I want stones that are not slippery when it rains.
These are natural gray stones for your garden path.
They look very nice. The surface is a bit rough.
Rough is good. It means you will not fall when it is wet.
Should the path be straight or have a curve?
A curve is more natural and beautiful in a garden.
I like the curve. It goes around the apple trees.
We need 20 large stones to finish the path.
They look heavy. I will use my wheelbarrow to move them.
Be careful with your back, Tom. Lift with your legs.
Thank you, Anna. I always remember your safety rules.
We will put some sand under the stones for stability.
Why do we use sand instead of just soil?
Sand helps the water to go down. The stones stay flat.
I see. The path will be stable for many years.
We can put some small white rocks between the large stones.
White rocks will look very clean and very bright.
It creates a nice contrast with the green grass.
How wide should the path be? 1 meter?
80 centimeters is enough for one person to walk on.
I want to walk on this path barefoot in the summer.
Natural stone feels very warm and nice under your feet.
I can imagine my morning walk to the mint pot.
Your garden is becoming a real living space, Tom.
It is much better than my old messy backyard.
Every stone and every plant has its own place now.
I am very proud of our work together.
We have one more thing to discuss: the lights.
Yes, I want to see my garden during the night too.
Let us look at the solar lamps for the path.
Solar lamps are great. No cables and no electricity bills.
These small lamps have a solar panel on the top.
Do they turn on automatically when it is dark?
Yes, they have a light sensor. They are very smart.
Where should we put them? Along the stone path?
Yes, put one lamp every 2 meters along the curve.
The light is very soft and warm. It is not too bright.
It is perfect for a relaxing evening on your deck.
Can we put a large lamp near the back door?
We can use a lamp with a motion sensor for the door.
That is good for safety when I come home late.
It only turns on when you move near the house.
Does the sun provide enough power in the winter?
In winter, the light is shorter, but it still works.
I like that my garden is green and ecological.
You're using the sun for your lights and for your trees.
It is a very natural way to live. I feel good.
Look at the trees now. The shadows look very long.
The garden looks very different in this evening light.
It is a place of peace. You can hear the birds.
I can also hear the water in the river nearby.
Your garden is a part of the nature around you.
I am very happy with the lamps. They are perfect.
Tomorrow is our final day of work, Tom.
I will prepare some tea with my new mint.
I would love some tea. The garden is almost finished.
I will invite my friends for a BBQ next Saturday.
They will be very surprised by your new yard.
I will tell them that Anna is the best designer.
Smiling. Thank you, Tom. See you tomorrow morning.
Good night, Anna. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, Tom. The garden looks wonderful today.
Good morning, Anna. Look at the grass. It is so green.
The trees are strong and the roses are starting to grow.
I am sitting on my new deck now. It is very comfortable.
I'm checking the watering system one last time.
Everything is working perfectly. The app is very easy.
The stone path is stable and very clean.
I walked on it this morning. It feels very nice.
Here is your final garden manual and the plant list.
Thank you. I will read it to keep the plants healthy.
Do not forget to cut the grass every 2 weeks.
I have my new mower ready in the garage.
And remember the liquid fertilizer for the roses in June.
I have a calendar on my wall for the garden care.
You are a very responsible gardener now, Tom.
I learned everything from you, Anna.
I am very happy with this project. It was fun.
I have a small gift for you. It is a new sketchbook.
Oh, thank you, Tom. This is very kind of you.
You can use it for your next beautiful garden plants.
I will start a new drawing today.
Let us drink some mint tea now. The water is hot.
The mint smells very fresh. Your pot is very successful.
My garden is now my favorite place in the world.
I am glad to hear that. A garden is a home for the soul.
I'm going to plant some sunflowers next month.
Sunflowers are very tall and very bright. They will love it here.
Thank you for everything, Anna. You are a great professional.
You are welcome, Tom. Enjoy your beautiful green home.
Goodbye, Anna. See you soon.